Maybe you're moving, selling, gifting your Ring Doorbell, second generation, or setting up an old or new device again. Here's how you can delete or remove your old Ring Doorbell directly from the Ring app. Open the Ring app, go to the menu, 3 lines, and select Devices. Even if your Ring Doorbell shows as deactivated or offline, you can still follow this process. No need to worry. Tap on the device, scroll down to Device Settings, then scroll all the way down to General Settings. Once you're in General Settings, tap on Remove Device. You'll see an option that says Keep Events. If you have an active subscription plan, you can choose to deactivate the doorbell but still retain your event history. However, if you want to completely delete the device from your app, press the trash icon and tap Remove Device, then proceed to Delete Events. Be aware that this will erase all your history and data from the Ring app. Read this section carefully, and if you're okay with it, press Continue. Next, select the reason for removing the device. When the confirmation pop-up appears, tap I'm sure. That's it. Your device will be deleted and removed from your Ring app. Thank you for watching.